Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook local chicken which brought from Assam by the Helen, and we are going to cook today. You see, we are preparing now, and now burning. Just skin we are burning up. This is we have prepared this one ginger, ada, rosun, pyaz. This is the chicken, and this is chili. According to your taste, you can put chili. Since we like more chili, we put more chili. And see, everything is ready. Now just we have to cook all this one spicy together. We ready with it. Ada, rosun, pyaz, everything is ready. Just we'll start cooking. Wow, delicious smell coming out. It is so fantastic and mouth watering. Look at the cooks. It will be very tasty and delicious and amazing. Baito is the most good cook in Monpot Center for Education. Now I did water so that meat will cook properly, because it is local chickens. It have to cook nicely and properly. Now again we are going to cook this chojana pata. See, this chojana pata is actually very good and healthy food. It is some kind of sickness like diabetics, sugar patients. It is very good. It is really, it is very problem solving leaves. This, so many people used to say this pata is really medicinal leaves. It is very good. Just simple and cook it. Pyaz, onion, chili, little garlic, ginger. Just put. No need to put other masalas. No need others. The taste will go away and the vitamin will go away. The protein will remain as it is if you cook. Just cook normal. Not to added so much this masalas. Just simple way of cooking and eat. That's the best things. And taste also be there. We add little this tomato, potato, and just leaves. That's all. Nothing. We didn't add anything. Yes. Wah, मजा লাগিছে দেই টেষ্ট কৰি চাম বাইদেউ কেনেকৈ মাছটো বনাইছে Now I am going to taste. Wow, very tasty, amazing and mind-blowing and mouth-watering. Really very tasty and delicious, fantastic. Wow, take, you can take, okay. Dear friends, if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.